Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for tuning back in. I'm gonna start doing a natural hair series on my channel because if you all didn't know, I am 100% natural and I've been natural for the last 2 years now, and I would say that my hair has really flourished. It's really grown a lot since my big chop, and I just want to take you all along with me on my natural hair journey because it's still a journey. I'm still learning my hair. I'm still trying to figure out what works for me and what doesn't. Come along with me for this natural hair series. Subscribe to the channel, like the videos, share the content, comment. I want to know if you are natural, if you're thinking about becoming natural, if you're in the transitioning stage, if you're full-blown natural. Alright y'all, I'm going to wash this hair today. Today we are going to be doing a wash day routine, trying to just clean this hair. So that's what I'm going to do with you all today and start this series off right with some nice clean hair.
Alright guys, so I'm starting off by parting my hair into 4 sections. This just makes life a little bit easier for me to detangle, and it also just helps with my wash day process. And just take your time when you're finger detangling because as you can see there, the knots are real. So now that the hair is sectioned, we're just going to finger detangle really gently. And then we're going to saturate each section with just water. And you're going to keep finger detangling and adding water as needed just until you feel like your hair is manageable. Now I'm gently going to comb through my hair with a wide tooth comb from the ends all the way to the root. Then I'll just twist up that section and repeat. Now that that's done, we're finally ready to wash.
So this is my hair freshly washed.
And I'm just showing you all my curl pattern and my shrinkage. Now I'm going to get started with my deep conditioner, and it's really the same exact steps as the beginning. I like to go in with really damp hair, and then I finger detangle the conditioner through my hair. And I make sure to use a lot of conditioner because my hair needs all the moisture that it can get. So I make sure to get it all up and through every part of my hair. And if you're looking for a really good conditioner for natural hair, this is it because it leaves your hair so moisturized and has so much slip. Now I'm just going through with my wide tooth comb, starting from the ends and working my way all the way up. And here's just a little close-up, a little curl appreciation so you guys can see my curl pattern and how amazing this conditioner is. And then I'll use a Denman brush to really make sure I get it into each strand.
So far I finished washing my hair and I am now in the process of deep conditioning my hair. I'm going to cover my hair with a plastic bag. I usually use saran wrap, but I'm gonna just do a plastic bag today because I'm being a little bit lazy. Alright y'all, that was part 1 of my natural hair series, and that was just me doing a wash, deep condition routine. Make sure you guys subscribe, make sure you guys like the video, hit the notification bell so you know when I put up part 2, which is my styling and moisturize video. Let's start off 2021 right with our natural healthy hair, making sure that we get our hair, mind, body, everything in order for 2021, because 2020 we are leaving that in the past and we getting into 2021 with some bomb amazing natural hair. All right, so if you guys want to keep along with me on my natural hair journey, just subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching guys. I'll see you guys in the next video.